Your Excellency, if you will leave your phone alone for 1 minute. You were at one point virtually a one-man countervailing force defending and protecting your dear party, the PDP. You have also, through bold legal challenges, deepened the national consciousness on the defect in the running of a defective federal system. You have said it, and I'm sure you will remain committed to the struggle to entrench a true federal system that will engender real development across all ethnic nationalities and across all religious persuasions in this country. Your Excellency, our party, the PDP, a party for which you have labored so much, seems saddled with the historical duty of forging this unity, a unity premised on truth, equality, and justice, a unity upon which rescuing Nigeria from the far from satisfactory performance of the 7 years of the APC will be built. It is a mission that must be accomplished, a mission for which you are specially positioned and favored to play a major role, a mission that must be subscribed to by all lovers of this country.